Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use broadcast messages in WhatsApp. To use this feature, open WhatsApp, go to three dot at top right corner and option menu appears. After that, you can see new broadcast option in the menu. Click on it. This feature can be used to send messages to multiple contacts at once without creating a group. Now add at least 2 contacts for broadcasting messages. Here I am adding. After that, click on this button. Now you can send messages here. You have successfully sent a broadcast message on WhatsApp. It's simple, effective way to reach multiple people while keeping things private. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.